Hi, hope all of you are doing great and wishing you all a very happy Christmas. And I'm hoping you're all really excited about the upcoming festival. Well, I'm Sherin. I'm a food blogger. Based in Bangalore, and I love trying out new recipes which have been passed on by my mom and some of my own. And I love to keep it simple and easy to make for everyone. So on this occasion of Christmas, I thought I'll share 2 recipes with all of you, which you can try out easily, and I hope you would also share your feedback and thoughts with me. So one of it is a fish molly. Now fish molly is a traditional Kerala dish. It's prepared in coconut milk and very easy to make. The second one is a cake, and this one is my favorite one. It's an orange cake. The flavor of orange in this is so nice that I'm sure you guys will love it. And not only that, the best part of this recipe is that we are using the entire orange. Just what is discarded is this other seeds for it. Even the skin is being used for this. And it's really simple and easy to make. So I hope you would try both these recipes and let me know what you think about it. Wishing you all again a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year too.